Okay. So please mark your present, all of you. Okay, who have joined just now, please mark your presentee. So, good evening, students. This is our English grammars basic lecture, session number 4. Okay, we have reached up to session number 4, and today we are going to learn about two new topics, subject and predicate. Okay, yes. So pay attention over here. I'm gonna start the topic. See. Okay, this topic include only so today's session include only two topics which are very small and very easy to understand. Okay, they both are very easy to understand, but you just want to do one thing, एकदम नीट लक्ष द्यायचं आहे, सो दॅट यू कॅन गेट देम व्हेरी इझिली. लगेचच तुम्हाला कळतील. आपण त्याच्यावर लगेचच एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करूया. अँड आफ्टर दिस, इफ वी कम्प्लिटेड अ लिटिल अर्लियर, आज जर जरा लवकर झालं नेहमीपेक्षा शिकून, तर आय एम गोना चेक विथ युअर रीडिंग. ओके, तुमचं रीडिंग सुद्धा पाहणार आहे, बिकॉज रीडिंग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. वेन यू कॅन रीड, then only you can understand. Okay, so let's see. So our topic number 1 is subject. We are going to cover two topics in today's session, subject and predicate. Okay, so let's learn about subject. What is subject? The subject of the sentence is what or whom the sentence is about. Okay, पहा, एखाद्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे काय? व्हेरी सिंपल टू अंडरस्टँड. ज्या गोष्टीबद्दल आपल्याला सांगितलं गेलं आहे किंवा ज्या व्यक्तीबद्दल आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे गेलं आहे, सॉरी, त्या गोष्टीला किंवा व्यक्तीला काय म्हणायचं? सब्जेक्ट. येस, अंडरस्टूड. सो इन द सेंटेन्स द कॅट इज स्लीपिंग इन द सन. आपल्याला एक सेंटेन्स दिला आहे, मांजर उन्हात झोपली आहे. द कॅट इज स्लीपिंग इन द सन. या सेंटेन्स मध्ये द वर्ड कॅट इज द सब्जेक्ट. या सेंटेन्स मध्ये सब्जेक्ट काय आहे? कॅट. येस, cat is a subject cause in this sentence they are telling that a cat is sleeping in the sun. उन्हात कोण झोपला आहे? कॅट. ओके, म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण एखादं सेंटेन्स वाचतो तेव्हा त्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये एखाद्या वर्ड बद्दल आपल्याला इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली असते किंवा एखाद्या व्यक्तीबद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली असते किंवा एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली असते, तेव्हा त्या व्यक्तीला, त्या गोष्टीला, त्या प्राण्याला, त्या पक्षाला काय म्हणायचं आहे आपल्याला? सब्जेक्ट. येस, इज इट व्हेरी टू अंडरस्टँड? व्हेरी इझी टू अंडरस्टँड? टेल मी, इज इट? Yes, is it easy? Okay, yes, it easy. Okay, so you have understood about subject, then predicate. Okay, let's learn about predicate first. Then I will tell you difference between them, and then we will go through the examples. Okay, before that, before I'm gonna tell you some examples, you also have to tell me some one example, one example at least. Okay, so let's see what is predicate. So predicate is the part of a sentence. विधेय म्हणतो आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये, विधेयक किंवा विधेय. Okay, so a predicate is a part of a sentence or a clause that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. प्रेडिकेट म्हणजे काय? सेंटेन्सचा, आपल्या वाक्याचा असा भाग जो आपल्याला सब्जेक्ट बद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगतो. आपला सब्जेक्ट काय करत आहे आणि किंवा आपला सब्जेक्ट काय आहे. ओके, हे जेव्हा हे वाक्यातल्या ज्या शब्दांवरून आपल्याला कळतं त्या शब्दांना आपल्याला प्रेडिकेट म्हणायचं आहे. ओके, आपला जो सब्जेक्ट आहे, लाईक कॅट इज स्लीपिंग इन द सन. कॅट काय आहे? सब्जेक्ट आहे, पण ती काय करत आहे? ती उन्हामध्ये झोपली आहे. मग उन्हामध्ये झोपली आहे हा पूर्ण पार्ट काय येणार? प्रेडिकेट. नॉट ओनली स्लीपिंग, फक्त स्लीपिंग नाही, कारण स्लीपिंग एक वर्ब आहे. ओके, पूर्ण पार्ट स्लीपिंग इन द सन, इट is whole, the whole part is called as predicate. Okay, so let's see. A predicate is a part of sentence or a clause that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. आपला सब्जेक्ट काय आहे किंवा तो काय करतोय एखादी वस्तू काय आहे, काय करते, एखादा प्राणी, पक्षी, व्यक्ती काय करतोय, तो काय आहे, किंवा त्याच्याबद्दल काही इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगितली असेल, त्या पूर्ण इन्फॉर्मेशनला आपल्याला प्रेडिकेट म्हणायचं आहे. ओके, part of sentence or a clause that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. Then let's take the same sentence from before. म्हणजे जे पहिलं सेंटेन्स घेतलेलं होतं आपण, that we have studied for subject, the cat is sleeping in the sun. That the same the same sentence we are going to learn. The clause sleeping in the sun is the predicate. Okay, as you have already told me that sleeping in the sun is a predicate, because these words, okay, this part of sentence is telling us that what the cat is doing. Okay, it is saying that what the cat is doing. That's why, sorry, that's why the sleeping in the sun is predicate. It's dictating what the cat is doing. कारण आपल्याला त्या प्रेडिकेट मुळे असं समजतंय की ती मांजर काय करत आहे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड अबाउट सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट? Yes? Okay. So, can you give me one example of subject? Right? At least one example. Yes? Still students are joining. No, no, no. I want whole sentence. In a whole sentence, and there you have to write. Yes, I have a book. Yes. Okay, so let me check. Yes, Ria is running. Okay. Okay, Karnika wants what is clause. Karnika, clause is part of a sentence. ओके, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये खंड वगैरे म्हणतो, वाक्याचा एखादा भाग. क्लॉज म्हणजे भाग, खंड. ओके कर्णिका, क्लिअर? द रमेश नसतं बेटा, रमेश इज रनिंग. ओके, so understood? And again, okay, you have written sentences. So sentences include, these sentences include both subject and predicate. ओके, तर मी समजून घेते आता की कोणता सब्जेक्ट आहे आणि कोणतं प्रेडिकेट आहे. ओके, सो लेट्स सी एक्झाम्पल. कॅन वी मूव टू द एक्झाम्पल? वाय यू some of you are joining so late? My system is open, that's why I'm able to give you entries. Otherwise तुम्ही क्लास मिस केला असतात. जर माझी सिस्टम ओपन नसती तर मग तुम्हाला एंट्री देता आली नसती. इट इज अ रूल. You have to enter at least 2 to 3 minutes before class. 5 minutes जर भरपूर झाले तेव्हा तर तुम्ही नसतातच. But you have to enter at least 2 to 3 minutes before the class starts. Okay, so next time please be punctual related to time. Okay. Okay, so you all have understood subject and predicate? Tell me. Subject and predicate understood? Everyone? No one has any doubt? Okay, so for all of you, one instruction is there. From this day onwards, from today onwards, I'm not going to give you entry after 5. Okay, for our English grammar class, you have to enter. Okay, you have to ask for entry, but I'm not going to give you entry after 5. Yes, understood everyone? The latecomers, understood? Everyone has to give reply, yes or no, especially the latecomers who have joined now. at 5:10, 5:09, 5:11. Many students are there. I don't want to take names, but तुम्ही स्वतः काहीतरी honesty दाखवा. Yes. Now let's see the difference between subject and predicate. Okay, so what is the difference between subject and predicate? So any complete sentence in the English language comprises of two parts, that is subject and predicate. कोणतंही पूर्ण वाक्य इंग्लिश भाषेतलं इंग्रजी भाषेतलं कोणतंही पूर्ण वाक्य हे दोन गोष्टींनी बनलेलं असतं, दोन भागांनी बनलेलं असतं. त्यातला पहिला भाग म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट and next part is predicate. Okay, any complete and meaningful sentence in the English language is comprises of two parts, that is one is subject and other is predicate. So what is the difference between these two, subject and predicate म्हणजे मध्ये काय फरक आहे पहा. So subject is part of the sentence that tells what or whom the sentence is about. Subject म्हणजे काय, वाक्याचा असा भाग ज्यामध्ये आपल्याला त्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये कोणाबद्दल सांगितलं आहे ते ते समजतं, तो भाग म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट. अँड प्रेडिकेट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेन्स दॅट टेल्स व्हॉट द सब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेन्स इज डुईंग. ओके, वाक्यातला जो कर्ता आहे, जो सब्जेक्ट आहे, तो काय करत आहे हे आपल्याला वाक्याच्या ज्या भागावरून समजतं त्याला आपण प्रेडिकेट म्हणतो. द सब्जेक्ट कॅन ओनली बी एन ऑब्जेक्ट, दॅट इज नाउन ऑर प्रोनाउन. मग सब्जेक्ट कोणत्याही प्रकारची वस्तूच असू शकतो किंवा व्यक्ती, प्राणी, पक्षी असू शकतो. म्हणजेच नाउन अँड प्रोनाउन, तो, ती, ते, मी. ओके, अँड लाईक ही, शी, वी, यू, आय, अँड still some student want entry. Okay, and yes, they also. And noun is whatever noun we give to everything, like mine, Varsha, a person, then mango, a fruit, rose, a flower. Okay, whatever noun. Then will uh, predicate will contain verbs to tell what the subject is doing. ओके, प्रेडिकेट मध्ये असे वर्ड्स, प्रेडिकेट मध्ये फक्त एक वर्ड नसणार. ओके, इट कॅन कंटेन वन वर्ड ऑल्सो, लाईक आय एम रनिंग. सो रनिंग विल बी अ प्रेडिकेट. ओके, तर प्रेडिकेट मध्ये फक्त एकच वर्ड नसणार, तर इट मे कंटेन वर्ब्स टू टेल द सब्जेक्ट इज, टू टेल व्हॉट द सब्जेक्ट इज डुईंग. आपला सब्जेक्ट काय करतोय ते पाहण्यासाठी प्रेडिकेट मध्ये काही वर्ड्स असणार. ओके, understood now the difference between subject and predicate? Do you all have understood? Can we start with the examples? Okay, now I'm going to give you a straightforward examples of both of them. Then after this you have to answer this question. Okay, your question answer time is a little bit far because I have selected too many examples, like 15 to 20 examples I have selected, and I'm gonna tell you all of them. Okay, so examples of subject. There are some examples of subject I have selected for you. Let's see. First is the children are playing in the park. Okay, whenever I'm reading, please pay attention in this type of sentence. The orange highlighted one are the subject. Okay, यामध्ये जे orange highlighted आहेत they are subject. Okay, the children are playing in the park. Tina is eating ice cream. So first sentence if you took, the children are playing in the park, यामध्ये the children हे subject आहे and what they are doing, they are playing in the park, it will be a predicate. कारण त्यावरून आपल्याला काय कळतंय की ही मुलं पार्क मध्ये खेळत आहेत, बागेत खेळत आहेत. कोण खेळत आहेत? बागेत मुलं. सो द चिल्ड्रन इज सब्जेक्ट. टीना इज इटिंग आईस्क्रीम. माय फॅमिली इज वॉचिंग अ मूवी. दे आर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. She has she has been working since last Monday. Sita went to the school. The sun was shining brightly. Ramesh switched off the fan. The man and his wife were working in their garden. यामध्ये two subjects are involved. Okay, दोन सब्जेक्ट्स इन्व्हॉल्व आहेत या सेंटेन्स मध्ये. यू कॅन रीड द मॅन अँड हिज वाईफ were working in their garden. Then the next is the pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. Mamta is reading a book. He is very sad today. They are looking at the pictures. John is writing on his notebook. The horse ran in the field. Okay, so these were some examples of subject. Okay, you got all of them? Yes? Okay, so let's see some examples of predicate. Okay, now predicate. See, my mother is baking a cake for me. Here subject is my mother. And what my mother is doing? She is baking a cake for me. So, is baking a cake for me is telling a information to us about my mother. So, is baking a cake for me will be a predicate. Okay, understood? So, every time like I am running, am and running will both be included in the predicate. जो काही वर्ब तुम्ही यूज करणार आहात तो सुद्धा तुमच्या प्रेडिकेट मध्ये जाणार आहे. फक्त जो तुमचा सब्जेक्ट आहे आय मी यू, ओके, तो फक्त तुमचा सब्जेक्ट राहणार आहे. त्याच्या पुढचा सगळा भाग प्रेडिकेट मध्ये जाणार आहे. एवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं फक्त. येस. So let's see another examples. Gold cards are fun to ride. Golf carts are fun to ride. The man heard a loud noise. The man traveled the whole world. The painter is painting the wall. Mike and George went bowling. The sun is shining brightly. The flowers smell nice. I build a sand castle on the beach. See, in this example, if you notice only I is the subject and the rest of, see, whole sentence, 99% part of a sentence is included in predicate. Such type of sentence can also confuse you. They may give you such type of sentence to get you confused, but you have to remember that just a noun or pronoun will be a subject. Okay, फक्त एखादं नाव किंवा सर्वनाम, any noun or pronoun will be the subject, and from that subject the next word starting from that subject, rest all of the sentence will be included in predicate only. Okay, the dog is hungry. Tina and I. Here also two subjects are there. Tina and I are going to the library. Mohan is laughing very loudly. Okay, got all these sentences? Yes? Tell me. Okay, so let's do exercise, not the physical one. Okay, see. So what I have to told you to do, point out the subject and the predicate in each of the following sentence. Okay, यामध्ये तुम्हाला subject आणि predicate दोन्ही शोधायचे आहे. So what are so I will show you one sentence. Please wait Sanjana, don't do hurry. मला वाचू तरी दे आधी. See, I'm going see. Okay, I'm going to read the sentences and you have to write subject and the predicate. Okay, पूर्ण लिहायचं आहे तुम्हाला. Like first sentence I'm going to tell you the dog subject S, फक्त S लिहा पुढे, loves the child predicate. Okay, the dog subject loves the child predicate. आणि हे सगळं तुमच्या एकाच मेसेज मध्ये आलं पाहिजे, so that मला समजायला सोपं जाईल. Okay, yes, shall we start with the next one? You're not going to write with the first, that I have already told you. So we will start with the second one. Okay, so let's start. Does the child love the dog? Does the child love the dog? Okay, write this. चला लिहा. What are the subject and what is the predicate in this sentence? What I have told you. प्रेडिकेट आणि सब्जेक्ट दोन्ही एकाच मेसेज मध्ये आले पाहिजेत. No, Deepika, this is not right. No, you all are wrong. You are using the verb. What I told you, only noun or pronoun you all have to use. Does आणि love हे काय झाले? They are verb. Why are you using them? Okay, so let's see my answer. No need to sorry, dear. I'm just explaining as I was not expecting this from you. Okay, see the dog and next is the child, right? Child. They are subject. Okay, and predicate is does love. Understood? Yes. Now you have understood? Yes. Okay, everyone has cleared now. Okay, so this type, yes, I expect it's perfectly all right that you did this wrong. This was your first sentence, and indeed this was confusing. Yes, this was confusing sentence, and it was your first sentence. So I'm ready to accept that you have done it wrong. Okay, so let's see the next one. So pay attention. Do remember that you may get confused between these sentences as subject and predicate is very easy to understand. You understood it very easily and very fastly, but these type of sentences make you confused. Okay, they can make you confused, so please do not get confused. Read the sentences at least 2 to 3 times, and then you can get any conclusion. Okay, see, now the hunter caught the hare. The hunter caught the hare. The hunter caught the hare. Yes, the hunter and hare both are subject. Okay, and caught is a predicate. Please do not get confused. Yes, Kadambari, you're right. Yes, Prathamesh also. Okay, so can we move to the next one? Okay, so see, what's the fourth one? Where does the hare live in winter? Where does the hare live in winter? Where does the hare live in winter? फक्त वर्ब नाही, पूर्ण लिहायचं आहे सेंटेन्स. लिव्ह इन विंटर. ओके, fifth one is what a timid little fellow the hare is. What a timid little fellow the hare is. Please do write properly and then only post the message. Please do write properly. The hair, the hair. Okay, the hair is subject. What a timid little fellow is a predicate. Yes, done. Should I say the next one? Okay, still some students are writing. Okay, okay, let them finish. Uh, everyone, please finish. क्वेश्चनचा भाग सुद्धा इन्क्लूड करायचा आहे. व्हॉट अ टिमिड लिटिल फेलो. पूर्ण पार्ट प्रेडिकेट मध्ये येणार. फक्त टिमिड लिटिल फेलो नाही. ओके, understood? Should I see the next one? Should I show you? See, my mother and my aunt are trained classical dancers. My mother and my aunt are trained classical dancers. You have to write subject and predicate both. My mother and my aunt are trained classical dancers. Write it fast. I will show you the sentence. Yes, now let me check. Okay. Okay, Deepika, Prathamesh, right? Deepika also. Karanika. Yes. Nidhi, yes. Pramita. Yes, good. Okay, what about the others? Too many students are present over here. Almost 18 students are there. Only 5 and 6 are showing their answers. What happened? What happened to others? You all want entry in the class. You all are, most of you are late and you are not writing the answers. What happened? You are not getting or what? Yes, Kadambari, right. Okay. Yes, so one student has written, my voice is breaking. Is it so? Please confirm everyone, my voice is breaking. Okay, there must be some background voice, I think. Yes, okay. But I think my voice is clear. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you. So whoever is facing a problem, please you can leave and join the class again. Okay, there must be with network issue with you. So that's why you heard me breaking. Okay. Now the seventh is you don't have to wait for me. You don't have to wait for me. Write the subject and predicate. You don't have to wait for me. Okay, just write subject. It is taking too much time. Just write subject and rest of the rest will be sentence. Sorry, predicate. Yes, Sanjana, it's you and me. Why you are writing have? Okay, please confirm again. My voice is breaking. Please let me know, everyone. Okay, please. Okay, so whoever is having a problem, Karthik, if you have any problem regarding my voice, please you can leave the class and join again. As you are leaving almost 5 to 6 times, you have leave the class. You have left the class. I think so. There is must problem will with your network only. Okay, so please leave and join again so that you can hear me clearly, as no one is facing problem by my side. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Okay. Okay, so these are too many examples. Let's have this as your homework. Okay, now the next is, okay, highlighted केलेला आहे sentence मध्ये. The part you are going to answer is already highlighted. Okay, highlighted part you have to tell it is subject or predicate. Okay, yes. So just write yes or P. No need to write whole word. Yes. So we can make it very early. Yes. So okay. The first is, yes. I'm not gonna read the sentence now, as already they have highlighted. Okay. So it is a subject. Good. Okay. Let everyone write, and I will show you the next one. Okay. Not everyone, whoever are interested in writing. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next. This is second. Yes, it's a predicate. Yes, you just have to put initials, S for subject and P for predicate. Okay. Now, Karthik, can you hear me clearly? Yes, Karthik, can you hear me clearly? Please give me reply in the chat box. Yes, Karthik, I'm asking you, as you are saying that my voice is breaking. Please reply. Can you hear me clearly now? आता माझा आवाज क्लिअर येतोय का तुला? See. Okay. Okay, the third one is this. Third one is here. Right for the third one. Yes, it's a subject. Okay. Now the fourth one. Yes, it's subject. Okay. Now the fifth one. Yes, it's a predicate. No, Karnika, Soham, it's a predicate, dear. May is a subject over here. Bhakti, it's a predicate. Prathamesh, Sanjana, don't get confused, okay? It's a predicate, and here may is a, yes, Prathamesh, no issue. I'm just correcting you, okay? May is a subject over here. Yes, Bhakti, it is perfectly all right. I'm just correcting you, okay? Now the sixth one, okay? Same sentence आणि आता फक्त बदललेला आहे काही part. Again, it's a predicate. Very good. See, this type of confusing sentences you can get. So it's a predicate. Okay. Now the seventh one. No. Yeah. It's a predicate. Here, our home room is a subject, and the rest is predicate. Is having a pizza party tomorrow. Rest is predicate. Okay. Now this one. Eighth one. Yes. Football is played in every country in the world. So football is a subject. Yes. Okay, this one, ninth one, ninth one. Yes, it's a predicate. Okay, it's a predicate. Okay, the tenth one. Tenth one, it is also a predicate. In this sentence, my expensive new watch is a subject and had stop is a predicate. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now this one. Sitting on the roof of my house was a huge blackbird. Yes, this time is a predicate, Prathamesh. It's not a subject, okay? Yes, it's a predicate. Here, a huge blackbird is a subject, okay? Yes? Now, okay, see, after dinner, I like to have a little sleep in front of the television. In that, okay, this orange colored highlighted part is a predicate only. What is the subject over here? Subject काय आहे इथे लिहा. What is the subject in this sentence? Yes, I. I. Good. I is the subject over here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now the 13th one. What is this? A predicate. Okay. Here also I is the subject. Okay. Now the 14th one. 14th. Yes, it's a predicate. You is the subject over here. Okay. Yes, you all are doing very well. Okay. Now this one. This one, what is this? Yes, it's a predicate. Again, I think most of the examples are from predicate only. Yes, and my friend and I are the two subjects in this. Okay. Okay. Now the next. Okay. What is the 16th one? At the weekend, my mother works at a sports club. Yes, if my mother is a subject over here. Yes. Good. Very good. 17th. Both my parents have to work at the weekend. Yes, it's a subject. Both my parents, like mother and father, have to work at the weekend. Okay. Now the 18th one. On the way from school to Frankfurt yesterday afternoon, bus number 21 crashed into a parked car. Okay. So bus number 21 is a subject. All the information is given about bus number 21. काय आहे या वाक्याचा अर्थ? ऑन द वे फ्रॉम स्कूल टू फ्रँकफर्ट. स्कूलमधून फ्रँकफर्टला जाणारी बस काल दुपारी एका पार्क केलेल्या कारवर जाऊन धडकली. म्हणजे यामध्ये बस नंबर 21 बद्दल आपल्याला इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगितली आहे. हेन्स बस नंबर 21 is subject and rest other is a predicate. Okay. Okay, only 19 I have selected. Okay, so 19th one, what is the 19th one? Okay, a predicate. In this sentence, a student and the bus driver are the subject and were injured in the crash is the predicate. Okay, so understood everyone? Tell me, do you all have understood whatever we have learned today? Okay. Okay, I was supposed to take your reading, but I don't think 15 minutes will be sufficient for this type of these much students. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so anyone has any doubt regarding subject and predicate? Please ask if you have any. I think it is very simple to understand and there should not be any doubt. But if you have any, you can ask me freely. No? Okay, so can we start reading? I'm going to check with your readings. फक्त 2 to 3 lines you have to read. Each student, I will take your name. You just start reading, okay? I have selected a lesson from your 6th standard. English textbook. Okay, 6th standard चा English textbook मधला एक lesson I have selected and you have to read. I will call your name and you have to just start reading. Whenever, please pay attention. Whenever I told you to stop, you have to stop, and the other student I am asking will start from the line she or he has left. Okay, understood? So let's start. I will call your names by your entry. Okay. As you have entered, I have, okay, I have that entry, and by that I will call your name. Okay, Aditi. Aditi, start reading.
Hello.
Yes, start.
Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. No, just because he had a vast
Empire.
empire, a very strong army, untold wealth, but because he was a good human being, he
Okay,
cared.
stop. Stop. Anagha. Anagha. Okay, she left. Okay, Ayush. Ayush. Yes, Ayush Mehta. Please put on your mic and start reading.
Hello.
Yes.
He cared for his subject. He had great. I'm skinner नीचे करो ना. He has great respect for the scholars.
Respect. Respect.
Respect for scholars,
Scholars.
scholars, writers, poets, and artists.
Poets. Poets.
And artists, artists belonging for different regions. He was a
Patron.
patron of art, art and culture. The nine gems of or
Navratnas.
Navratna is in his country
Court.
court were famous.
Okay, stop. Bhakti.
Many
Yes.
people believe that of these nine, James Birbal
Birbal.
was the closest to the emperor's heart. Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in, in his court, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. We don't know whether the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basic foundations, mainly by word of mouth. Here are two of them. One day the emperor
Okay, stop,
entered the
stop,
court with
stop.
very
Stop, Bhakti, stop. Yes, Dheeraj, whatever paragraph I am showing, you have to read from that.
One day the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What will be
What
the
should? What
what should
should?
be the punishment for someone who pull my mustache? The court was stunned. Pull the emperor's mustache. It it was unheard of.
Okay, stop. Unheard of and mustache. Okay, next is Deepika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whip, exclaimed one nobleman. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Ma'am, next.
Yes, yes.
Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. What do
Okay,
you
stop.
think?
Stop it. Okay, now Shardul. Yes, Shardul is there. Shardul, right? Am I? Okay, he has left. Okay, Joy. Joy, start reading. Yes, Joy. Okay, Kadambari. Yes, Kadambari.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offen- offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a
Sweetmeats.
sweetmeats for such a grave option. The
Offense.
offense, the countryar began to say. Birbal smiled. The offered an explanation. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the mustache,
Emperors.
emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson.
Okay, stop. Emperor's mustache. Okay. Now Karnika. Yes, Karnika, start reading. Okay, Karnika, can you hear me? Okay. Nidhi. Nidhi, start reading. Okay, Karnika is there. Yes, Karnika, start.
When when
Akbar
Akbar hears this,
heard. Heard.
heard
Akbar
this,
heard.
he he burst out.
स्पेलिंग रीड करायचं आहे. कोणाची हेल्प घ्यायची नाहीये. स्पेलिंग रीड कर.
Laughing.
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 Yes, read spelling whenever you face problem reading a word.
Because.
Because.
Because that is external.
Exactly.
Exactly what had hap- what had
Happen.
happened
Hmm.
in the morning
Hmm.
on another
Okay. Yes, read. Occasion.
occasion. Akbar was
Relaxing.
relaxing with some of his
Courtiers.
courtiers.
Okay. Mic off कर. You lead a little practice करने का. Okay. Nidhi. Nidhi, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. You are the greatest of the king.
What are you reading from? Where are you reading from? A few of them. Yes, first sentence read करायचा आहे. A few.
A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower
Praise. Shower praise.
praise on the emperor and get some favor from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. You are the greatest of the king. You are the greatest of kings or emperors that ever lived on earth.
Okay, stop. Next is, okay, I don't know the student name actually. The ID is Pradeep Sherke. Yes,
Yes,
start
teacher.
reading.
You are the greatest of all the people in heaven or earth. You are as great as God Almighty. You are greater than the God Almighty. Now, Akbar was no fool. He did not care for false praise. He stopped the courtiers and asked, "Do you all believe so?" Yes, they answered in one voice.
Yes,
All
stop.
right.
Good. Very good. Now, Pramita. Pramita, start reading.
All right, then prove it to me. Tell me at tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. Otherwise, you will all ensure our
Incur.
incur our royal displeasure. You have till tomorrow morning to prove it. Akbar then left the place without another look at the courtiers. They were is in a proper fix. They thought and thought, but could not think of any such thing. In the end, they went to Birbal. When Birbal heard their story, he told them not to wrong. The
Not
next
to
morning,
worry. Okay, stop. It's worry. Now Prathamesh. Prathamesh, start reading. Okay. Yes, next ID is Usha Badole. Yes, Prathamesh, I understood. Okay. Yes, Usha Badole. Please put on your mic. What's the
Hello,
student
ma'am.
name? Yes. Start reading. What's your
The
name?
next Avika.
Okay, Avika. Sorry. Yes, start reading.
The next morning, the court
Court.
was full. Everyone was ca- uh, ca-
Curious.
curious to see what would happen next. Will said the impre-
Emperor.
emperor, emperor,
Emperor.
emperor, have you found a good answer to my question? Are you or are you ready to leave the court
Court.
forward just
Forever.
forever?
Ha, what's
Just then,
Birbal.
Birbal stamped forward
Stepped.
and
Step.
stepped forward and
Bow.
bowed
Low.
Bo- bowed low.
Bowed
Place
नाही
do
वाचायचं बेटा. Bow. Low.
bow lows. Place
Please. Please.
please don't be
Angry.
angry with
Those.
those who think you are the greatest
Okay, stop.
greatest.
Stop. Now Vedant. Vedant, start reading.
There's certainly at least one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully. And what is that one thing? When you want to punish someone, you can banish that person. You can throw him out of your kingdom. But God's kingdom extends everywhere. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. Akbar's face was lit up with smile. That was very clever, Birbal. While showing how I have an advantage, you also shown that God is greater. I believe you. Akbar was so pleased with the answer that he forgave the courtiers for their stupidity.
Okay, very good. Okay, so all of you have completed reading? Yes, Avantik, sorry, I forgot her name. Avika, yes. Avika, please put off your mic. Avika, your mic is on. Please put off. Okay, okay. So, see, we have learned today uh, our grammars part, subject, and predicate. You all have understood that I already know. Okay, and we have to reading. मी फक्त reading यासाठी पाहिलं की who are capable, who have some problems that I wanted to know. Okay, because reading is very important. Reading येत असेल तरच तुम्ही जे काही सेंटेन्स मध्ये आहे or whatever there is in the lesson that you can get understand. Okay, त्यामुळे not any problem, nothing like that, that तिला चांगलं वाचता आलं मला नाही. ओके, असं काही नाही. तुम्ही एका एज ग्रुप मधले आहात, तुम्ही सेम एजचे नाही आहात, ते सगळ्यांनी लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. नो वन विल मेक ऑफेन्स दॅट हाऊ शी लुक हाऊ शी इज रीडिंग, शी डोंट नो रीडिंग. ओके, you all are not from English medium, not all are from CBSE board, not all are from Marathi medium. Okay, सगळे वेगवेगळे मीडियम मधले आहेत आणि वी ऑल आर फ्रॉम 5th to 10th स्टँडर्ड. त्यामुळे 10th स्टँडर्डचा मुलगा किंवा मुलगी साहजिकच चांगला वाचणार आणि 5th स्टँडर्डचा मुलगा किंवा मुलगी वाचताना थोडा अडखळणार. ओके, सो फॉर मेकिंग युअर रीडिंग परफेक्ट I will be there like this when we complete our topics a little bit earlier. Our last 10 to 15 minutes we can spend on reading. Okay, yes, okay, yes. So all of you agree with this? Can we do this type of activity from the next lecture, our next lecture? Yes, okay. So whoever is facing some problems related to reading, they can improve their reading. Okay, and whoever are masters, I can't call you masters of reading, but whoever can read it very nicely, they can help others to read. Okay, so like this, we after our next lecture, we are going to perform this activity. Okay, so if you don't have any doubt, you can leave the class. We are going to stop over here. Okay, so did you all enjoy whatever we have learned today and this activity we have taken? Do you all have enjoyed? Okay, okay, yes. Okay, now you all can leave the class. Bye bye everyone. Yes, bye. Welcome. Bye bye. Thank you, Kadambari. Bye. Okay, all of you, please leave the class. Please leave the class, everyone.